Let's take a look at this example here that states a group of students are in a room. After 25 students leave, it is found that 2/3 of the original group is left in the room. How many students were in the room at the start? All right, so let's pull out the information that we know. We know that 25 students leave the room, and we know that 2/3 of the original number of students are left. So let's just state our unknown variable, which is x, which equals the original number of students in the room. Let's let x define that. All right, so let's see what we have. After 25 students leave, so we can say, well, we have the original number, and if 25 of them leave, we know we can subtract 25 from x. That equals 2/3 of the original group x, so 2/3 times x. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this equation then. I want my x's on the same side, so I am going to subtract 2/3 x from both sides. And we haven't really learned how to do this quite yet, but this is coming up. Hopefully you remember a little bit about how to isolate a variable from pre-algebra. But 1 minus 2/3 is simply 1/3 x. Minus 25 equals now 0, because we don't have anything left on the right-hand side of our equation there. So let's go ahead and add 25 to both sides. And to get rid of our fraction in front, we're going to multiply by its reciprocal, so 3/1. So we have x equaling 75 students. Again, we will work on how to isolate a variable coming up in a later unit. Don't forget that we do want to check our answer though, so once we have x equals 75, let's go ahead and substitute that back into our original equation and just make sure that everything checks out. So if I have 75 minus 25, does that equal 2/3 of 75? Well, we know 75 minus 25 is 50, and if we want to go ahead and grab a calculator quick, you can go ahead and do so, but 2/3 times 75 is in fact 50, so our answer does check out.